Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Honor 7C and I'm gonna show you how to format the SD card on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, tap this icon right here. In settings, let's select the storage. Then tap on our SD card right here. Now tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Select Storage Settings. And here we have Format option. Tap on it. Then tap on Erase and Format. And now we need to wait. Then tap Done. And as you can see, our SD card was formatted. And that's how you format the SD card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.